Hi, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Monica. Today I'm going to try this makeup essential kit from Inside Cosmetics. Inside Cosmetics is my favorite brand. Firstly, it's vegan, cruelty free, very affordable, easily available, and the products are too good. I've already done a first impression video, but I did that in Tamil, so I thought let me try this kit, and it would be very appropriate for a beginner. If you're a makeup beginner and you don't know like what products to get and you want to start with a kit, this would be very good for you and very useful for you, and it's available from the Insight website. I'll give the link in the description. Do check out description box for all the links. And yeah, let's get started. The first, I'm using the primer. I've already prepped my skin, and this primer I already have one. It's my most favorite silicone based primer. I have oily skin and open pores, so this primer helps to blur out the pores and gives a smooth canvas, and also helps the makeup to last longer. So a silicone based primer is very essential if you have like oily skin and open pores. And second, I'm going to use this ultra thin foundation, and this also I already have one, and I have it in the shade 04, and they have only 4 shade. I really like this packaging. Firstly, it comes in a glass bottle, a very sturdy packaging. It's very affordable. I think it's under 100 rupees. It very affordable, but the quality is too good. It's a very lightweight liquidy foundation, water based foundation, and it gives a sheer coverage, and it's buildable. So if you apply 2 layers, it gives you medium coverage, and it's very lightweight. The only drawback is they have only 4 shade, and the last shade is also a little lighter to my skin tone, so that's the only drawback. But after some time it gets oxidized on my skin and matches to my skin color, so that's not a problem. For everyday wear like a BB cream, I like to use this foundation, and it blends very easily using a brush or even a beauty blender, or you can use your fingertips also to blend it, and it gives a beautiful satin dewy finish. It's not dry and cakey on my skin. I love the finish of this foundation and how it sits and feels on my skin, but only drawback is the shade range. I wish they had more shades and more darker shade especially. Other than that, it's a beautiful, very affordable foundation. You can try it out if you're like 1 or 2 shades lighter to my skin color. It would match you perfectly, but still I like to work with it. Like I use it as a BB cream, so it's not a problem. As you can see, it didn't hide my acne, scars and hyperpigmentation, so I'm going to use this Pro Concealer palette, which contains concealing, contouring shades. Like it has the green color correcting, yellow color correcting, and orange, purple. These are all color correcting shades, and it also has one contouring and concealing shade. This palette came with the essential kit, but I do have another palette which I like to use on my everyday basis also, which contains concealing shades like lighter, medium, darker concealing shade, and it also has a corrector shade. So for me, the orange corrector is what I use mostly because of my hyperpigmentation and acne scars. I like to use the orange color correcting shade. I just pick it up using my finger, and I blend it very well. It's a creamy formula. You can easily blend it using your finger. It works well with finger and brush. Sponge, it doesn't give that good finish. It works well with finger and thick brush. So I like to gently tap and blend it well, and after applying it, I'm going to use a concealing shade on top of it to cover it. So the shade that I'm using is the darker shade from the palette. So if you are of my skin color, I would recommend you to get this concealer palette, which would be more helpful for you. Also, I recorded my video in natural light. Most of my videos recorded in natural light only. Very rarely I use artificial light, because I use phone to record my video, because if I use artificial light, the color of the product is not proper, so I always like to record in natural light, and the light kept on changing, so please ignore that in this video, and I had to constantly keep changing my position. So second, I'm going to use the Dio stick which contains contour on one side and highlighter on the other side. So the packaging is like a bullet lipstick. So this how the product comes out. For the price, I think they have good amount of product inside, and the highlighting shade is also very nice. The contouring shade is cool undertone. Like most of the contouring shade is cool undertone only, because that's what gives you that shadow effect, contouring effect. Mostly bronzer is of warm undertone and contour is of cool undertone. I'm going to contour my nose, and it is a creamy, thick creamy consistency product. It was very easy to blend, and even to contour my face and nose, the packaging was convenient and easy to use. So when I started doing makeup, at first I thought contouring is not essential for like everyone. I don't like to contour my face, but once I started doing face contour, there is no going back. You have to try face contouring if you haven't tried it. It just makes your face, gives that dimension to your face, and you can try different methods. Like you can make your face look slimmer, you can make your cheeks look more fuller with contouring techniques. And contouring your jaw line helps to hide double chin, and also makes your jawline look more prominent. Try it if you haven't. And next I'm going to use the highlighting side. So I was very scared, firstly because the highlighting shade was very light and I went directly applied on my face. So in this case you can actually apply it back of your hand and then apply it on your face, because this was very pigmented. And but the good part is it was very easy to blend. It was very creamy, so I just blend it away. But then try not to apply products directly like this, like especially cream products like cream blush and highlight. First apply it back of your hand and then pick it up using your finger or a brush, and then apply to your face. Next up, I'm going to use the liquid lipstick that came in the kit, and I already have inside non-transfer lipsticks, but I didn't have the shade. So this shade is 18 red, and I think this would be very bright on my skin, but I just wanted to try it. As you can see, it's very bright, at least for my liking. So just one swipe and it's so pigmented and it's very lightweight. It instantly sets matte on my lips, and it doesn't crack or doesn't dry out my lips also. But I didn't like the shade because it's bright, so I'm going to apply a brown shade on top of it, and this shade is Joyful 01 from Inside Cosmetics only. So I'm just going to apply some on top of it and then mute the bright red lipstick. So yeah, I'm going to use the excess product on my fingers, on my eyes also, because this kit didn't have any eyeshadow. So I'm just going to apply the same lipstick on my eyes. And next up in the kit, they have given a pen eyeliner, which is very thoughtful, because as a beginner, pen eyeliner is very easy to use and very easy to create a winged eyeliner also. This pen eyeliner is of okay quality only. The pigmentation is good and the application is good, but the problem with pen eyeliner is that you can't use it for a very long time, and the finish of the eyeliner is shiny. It's not matte finish, it has like a shiny finish, which is also nice. I liked it, and I just created a basic small winged eyeliner, and that's it, nothing much. Also, there is no mascara in the kit. So the last product from the kit is a makeup setting spray. So I'm going to spray it all over my face and set the makeup, and that's it. This is the finished look using the products from the essential kit. I hope you liked it. It is a very basic look, and I hope this video is helpful to you. Do check out my description for links of the kit. They have different kits available, like bridal kit and makeup essential kits like that, so you can choose according to your need. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any new update. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.